it comes to knowledge, I think about 3 E's: expertise, experience, and expectation. The expertise is really the foundation that precipitates knowledge into a useful form. Our experts at Ralco Nutrition are well trained in their respective areas. They know the animals well, they know the products well, and really they themselves have experience, which is the next E.
We have technical people with hands-on experience every day in the field working with livestock producers.
For me, it's interesting to see how the sales guys are out there with their customer, and they can come back and they know what the customer needs, or they know what the customer's challenges are. So they're able to take those concerns and bring them back to a technical staff that can help find solutions. And a lot of our products are formulated around the customer's problem or situation.
So we've got a very solid base of nutritionists across species: swine, ruminant, poultry, but we've also incorporated or added to that skill veterinarian, immunology, chemical engineering, because the nutrition group benefits from a support staff. When we look at research, I'm one to want to take knowledge and use it. And the way we focused our research, the things that we've centered our research around is really information that can be proven, but also information that can be useful. When we look at research, we have experts on staff that can evaluate the protocols, that can carry out the actual research and analyze it so that it's useful. I think in terms of, of customer service, a well-rounded approach or a well-rounded knowledge of your industry is where it begins.
Ralco's greatest asset is its innovation, its knowledge, its technology, and out-of-the-box thinking.
Innovation is really the marriage between knowledge and creativity. And Ralco has always been a company that has endeavored to take science, to take knowledge, and make it practical.
I think that's one thing that's key about Ralco, is not just sitting around at a desk imagining what this could be like, but imagining it and then taking that and putting it into action.
Companies can say they're cutting edge, but cutting edge is really an entrepreneurial spirit, and I think that's really what we have here at Ralco. Is we've got a bunch of entrepreneurs.
But this is a quote from Albert Einstein: "I'm enough of an artist to draw freely upon my imagination. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world." And really, that's what we really speak to at Ralco, is the fact that imagination is equivalent to innovation.
I would say that we gravitate more toward embracing change and anticipating change. And we do that every day. We ask ourselves, what's next?
Our innovation is really born out of field experience with real life customers, with real needs.
As we're pursuing knowledge, as we're being creative, we're not forgetting about the fact that analysis is important, that quality control is definitely at the highest regard in this company. So when you put that all together, you really have a source that you can trust.
That the challenges that our customers face will never stop. They're always going to be challenged. So our search for solutions also must never stop.
Ralco is a place where you buy a product, but also a network of people to support that product and to support producers as they're faced with these health challenges. So being a source you can trust, to me, doesn't mean just an ingredient source you can trust, but literally a source of information, a source of product, an ingredient, and really a source of relationship, because our people do care about the animal nutrition industry. It's not just about selling a product. It's really about impacting the industry in a positive way. Ralco Nutrition is a company that is known as a company that knows a little bit about natural products. We're also a company, particularly recently in the last 5 or 10 years, that have really dedicated ourselves to science. So we've got this unique combination of natural and science that has come together to hit mainstream industry. And one of the ways we've done that is through quality. You know, we inspect what we expect, and that's a real key.
At Ralco Nutrition, quality control is not a process, it's a passion. It's a passion to meet and exceed all international, national, and state regulations as far as quality control is concerned. We've invested heavily in a process, a system for traceability. We can trace ingredients back to the source and do it efficiently.
So continuous improvement, in summary, is not something that we shove from top down. It's really something that comes from bottom up, and that to me is tremendously exciting and a great position for a company to be in.
So it really is a network of meeting the needs of the customer and quality control. So it does spread throughout the company, and like I said before, it's nice to work with a technical team that can give you the formulation experience, but it's also good to have the experience in the mill. And we have a lot of guys in the facilities that have been here for a long time and really work well and train some of the newer guys that we've brought on. So, you know, having that experience of the nutritionist, the immunologist, chemical engineer, it's really helped in production, because our guys, when they have questions and concerns, they have a resource they can go to. And to get those answers, they need to bring that quality product that we're looking for. The chemical engineer creates a product on the tabletop. He also brings it into the production room, and he works with our guys. And then be able to implement those ingredients in that process, and then to have a good quality control manager inspect, you know, those procedures, and to carry them forth has just been a great thing.
And this change is going to happen. No matter what industry you're in, no matter what you are doing, change is always a part of us. As the second hand ticks around the time of the clock, change is happening. Yeah, we've coined, I guess, adopted 3 main ingredients on how we handle change, and that's through knowledge, innovation, and quality. We have to do things differently to create more efficiencies in the marketplace, to compete and to supply quality products, services, and programs to make our customers more efficient. Because our customers also have competition in the marketplace. So it's very important for our customers to be more efficient. Our quote is we're big enough to serve, small enough to care.